Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to earn money on Pinterest, there are a few different ways to do it. One way is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services on your Pinterest boards and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. Another way to earn money on Pinterest is through sponsored content. This involves creating pins that promote specific products or services in exchange for payment. Finally, you can also earn money on Pinterest through advertising. This involves placing ads on your Pinterest boards or in your Pinterest Analytics dashboard. Here are some tips on how to earn $2,000 per week on Pinterest. Tip number 1, choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you know your niche, you can start to create pins that are relevant to that audience. Tip number 2, create high-quality pins. Your pins should be visually appealing and informative. Use high-quality images and videos, and write clear and concise titles and descriptions. Tip number 3, use relevant keywords. When you're creating pins, be sure to use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help people find your pins when they search for those keywords on Pinterest. Tip number 4, pin consistently. The more pins you have on your boards, the more likely people are to find your content. Aim to pin at least 10 to 15 times per day. Tip number 5, engage with other users. Like and comment on other users' pins and join relevant Pinterest groups. This is a great way to get your pins seen by more people. Tip number 6, use Pinterest Analytics. Pinterest Analytics can tell you how well your pins are performing. Use this information to see what's working well and what's not. Tip number 7, monetize your pins. Once you have a following on Pinterest, you can start to monetize your pins through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertising. Here are some specific strategies that you can use to earn $2,000 per week on Pinterest. Tip number 1, create a Pinterest course or ebook. Pinterest is a great platform for teaching people how to use Pinterest effectively. You can create a course or ebook that teaches people how to grow their Pinterest following, create high-quality pins, and use Pinterest Analytics to track their results. Tip number 2, offer Pinterest consulting services. If you have experience using Pinterest successfully, you can offer your services as a Pinterest consultant. You can help businesses create and manage their Pinterest accounts and develop Pinterest marketing strategies. Tip number 3, create and sell Pinterest templates. There is a growing market for Pinterest templates. You can create templates for pins, boards, and Pinterest ads. You can sell these templates on your own website or through Etsy. Tip number 4, partner with other businesses. Many businesses are willing to partner with Pinterest influencers to promote their products or services. You can reach out to businesses in your niche and see if they would be interested in partnering with you. If you're willing to put in the work, just remember to choose a niche that you're passionate about. Create high-quality pins and use Pinterest Analytics to track your results. Here are some additional tips to help you reach your goal. Be patient. It takes time to build a following on Pinterest and start earning money. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep creating high-quality pins and engaging with other users, and you'll eventually start to see results. Be consistent. The key to success on Pinterest is consistency. Pin regularly, engage with other users, and use Pinterest Analytics to track your results. Experiment. There are many different ways to earn money on Pinterest. Try different strategies and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.